Let's do some unboxing. Okay, let's take this little, it's just a little tab right here. Looks like a pretty neat little box. Ooh, look at that. It's got a case. But I did order them with cases. Whenever I can get a case with one of these budget drones, definitely want to do it. Get a case. Telling you, it's easy to store these things. Okay, I'm going to put this box down here. Alright, let's see what's in the surprise box. Alright, the unveiling. Here we go. Woohoo, look at that. 2 batteries. Oh, I like that pretty orange. This has not been flown. I haven't even charged the batteries on this. This is you're seeing it just like I'm seeing it. Looks pretty cool. Let's check out this remote. That's pretty wild. Huh. I think that's a rabbit looking. Can I make that look better? Nah. I need a bigger light back there. But yeah. Pretty cool controller. Got a regular old battery you're gonna get with it. But this quad, yeah, let's put, oh, you know, you always get that little package. Couple of extra parts, charging cords probably there. You know, get some instructions. In fact, let's see what the app looks like. I might already have this app on my iPhone. Yeah, some of these budget drones use the same app, just to let you know. I have 2 different drones and they use the same app. So that's pretty cool. Let's open this baby up. Oh, let me put this back in. Being messy now. Let's look at this battery. Okay. Looking to see how it charges. Let's see. Just a USB cord. Standard old cord. Guy's probably got 1,000 of these cords around if you're a budget guy like me. But again, yeah, you know, these are under $100. They're low income. I mean, these are great. Me, I'm not going to spend $400. Not to fly in my backyard. But this, it feels like metal. But I know it's plastic. Pretty wild. Nice and smooth. Look at this thing. This thing is gorgeous. It's got the mini brushless motor again. These aren't full-size brushless. They'll be double the size of these. Things that the FAA will be worried about. This supposedly has GPS. And this is what I'm going to be interested in. The GPS part of this. Okay. It's got a little cover here. You pop this cover off, that I'm going to pop off right here. And then after, in the middle of this, is your little obstacle avoidance. Let me put this over here. That is a cool looking quad. I mean drone. I'm used to saying quad because that's what we used to fly back in the day. So excuse me if I keep on saying quad. But they are drones, these new ones that are coming out today, because they do autonomous type stuff. So you can call them drones. But back in the day, we didn't have all this technology. We only had motors and a radio, basically. We used to run orange receivers. But anyway, this is the obstacle avoidance. And what it is it has 4 sensors. Left, right, left, front, and rear. Okay. I think there's a top one there. It might be a 5. But majority of them are 4. And again, before you rely on them, test them. Don't give this to the kid and say, hey, it's not going to hit him. It has obstacle avoidance. Well, let me tell you. You paid, what, $68.98? Okay. Think about that. But anyway, that's what this is, and you could fit it in there. I'm not an obstacle avoidance guy, so this will sit right in that place. But yeah, guys, check it out. You gotta admit, this thing is cool. Oh, how do you get that in there? There we go. It's wicked cool. I can't wait to charge that battery and head outside with this one. This looks like it's going to be some fun, especially with GPS. Going to have to read up on that. So the next time you see me, I'll be testing this 2023 F2-5G brushless GPS drone. And I got this at Temu. Took almost 2 weeks to get here, because you know everything takes a slow boat. Then when it gets here, it hustles over. So let's get some flying done. Take care, all. I hope to see you again. Okay, I'm out here with 2 different drones, both with GPSs. We have the K90 out here and the F2-Pro Max. And K90 still hasn't found any satellites. The Pro Max found it in about 60 seconds. So I'm going to take up the Pro Max first. It's a nice evening. A little cool out, but it is nice out. Again, this is a slow flyer, but look how steady she is. She's wind resistant too. Tested it during the day. But yeah, the GPS, and she turns so slow. Yeah, takes great video. She's still beeping. 20 satellites. This is a nice drone, excuse me. Great for pictures. I don't know what she'd do in height, but not an aggressive flyer. I'm going to bring her down so we don't hurt her. Gorgeous looking though, huh? Oh, here's some wind. Look at them trees over there. Let's bring it over there. See what happens. Not bad in the wind. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Look at a squirrel. I don't know if you guys can see a squirrel. But yeah, the wind's hitting it. Look at that. A budget drone that can take the wind. This is wicked awesome. Oh, this is going to be one of my babies that are going to like to fly a lot. Look at that. A little slow.